Behavioral is star, but AI flavored. Behind every tell me about a time, the interviewer is really probing your judgment about evaluations, model limits, and working with research. The story is just the wrapper. The judgment inside it is what they actually score. Get that, and you stop telling stories that go nowhere. So, the thing being measured isn't whether you can narrate a project, it's whether you made good calls, whether you owned them, and whether you have the specific instincts an AI org needs. Did you measure or ship on vibes? Were you honest about what the model couldn't do? Can you work with scientists? Every question is a hunt for one of those. Step 1, use star, but weight it correctly. Situation, short, task, short. Then spend your time on action, the decisions you personally made, and result with a real number. Most people do the opposite. They overtell the setup and undertell their own call, and they run out of time right when the interesting part arrives. Two sentences of context is plenty. Step 2, pick stories that carry AI judgment. A time you built an eval set, a time you were honest about what the model couldn't do and designed around it, a time you worked with data scientists on a shared metric. Those beat a generic I shipped a feature story every time because they show the exact judgment this round is scored on. Step 3, say I, not we. The interviewer is hiring you, one person, so they need to hear your specific contribution, not the team's collective summary. We decided quietly hides whether you decided anything at all. Every time you catch yourself saying we, ask whether it was actually you, and if it was, say so. Step 4, land the result on a metric. Cut review time 40%. Lifted task success from 71 to 88%. A story with no number sounds invented, and it gives the interviewer nothing to write down. If you genuinely can't quantify the main outcome, quantify a proxy. Hours saved, tickets deflected, a rate that moved. Here's the part that makes this round easy, and almost nobody does it. You can prepare for behavioral before you know the questions. Sit down and write 3 or 4 real stories from your own work. One where you built or fought for an eval set, one where you were honest about a model limit and designed around it, one where you worked closely with a scientist or researcher, and one genuine failure with a fix. Structure each as star. Keep the situation to 2 sentences and pin a real number on each result. Then tag each story with the judgment it best shows. When the interviewer asks something, you're not inventing on the spot, you're picking the closest prepared story and adapting it. That's the difference between a smooth answer and a scramble. Take, tell me about an AI project that failed. The strong version is short and honest. We shipped a summarizer without an eval set. A model update silently regressed quality, and users caught it before we did. So I owned the miss, built a golden set of 200 real documents, and made faithfulness a release gate. Next quarter, it caught 2 regressions before launch. That's a real failure, a systemic fix, your own decisions, and a number. That's what they want, not a humble brag dressed up as a weakness. So, what earns the points? First, every story ends on a real metric, so it has a punchline. Second, you surface the AI specific judgment, eval rigor, honest limits, cross functional work without being asked for it. And third, your own decisions are clear and separable, not blended into what the team did. Now, the ways people lose it. The biggest is no metric in the result, so the story just trails off with no landing. Second trap, all we and no I, which leaves the interviewer unsure you actually did anything. And the third, a 3-minute situation that buries the action. So you spend your best material on scene setting and rush the part they're scoring. Keep the setup tight and protect the time for your own calls. So here's the whole attack. Star, but weighted, short situation, short task, long action, numbered result. Choose stories that carry AI judgment, an eval set, honest model limits, real work with scientists. Say I, not we, and always land on a metric, even a proxy. Prep 3 or 4 real stories this way ahead of time, tag each with the judgment it best shows, and you can match one to whatever they ask. Memorize this, star with a number in the result, and choose the story that shows the AI judgment they're really probing. The story is